Hi, and welcome back to another Ginger in Japan video. Today we'll be doing a PayDirt review on contributing to miners. Their 1 pound PayDirt. It also came with this dropper thing and a glass vial. Stay tuned. Alright, we are back, and this is the plus 10 material. So reading the bag, it's a gold and gem bag. So there's not just gold in here, but there's also gems. And I'm not a gem expert by any means. I'm actually really bad at, what rock's a gem and what rock's a rock. I know that probably doesn't make sense, but there was an arrowhead in this bag, which is kind of cool. Haven't found one of those since visited my mammaws in southern Indiana. Still a lot of gems and just rocks that don't look, they look like they would be gems to me. Alright, I'll be back with the plus 20. Didn't say anything. Alright, we're back with the plus 20 material. Alright, let's get to panning. Not very much plus 20 material. I found out about contributing to miners by watching one of Dan Hurd's, I believe that's how you pronounce his last name, videos. Seemed like a pretty interesting PayDirt. He's a prospector up in Canada. I believe he's a school teacher full-time. But check out his videos. They're pretty entertaining. One speck right there. There might be a couple other pieces in there. Yeah, there's another speck or two. 1, 2, and 3. Let me get these cleaned up and we'll pan the minus 20 next. Alright, we're back and this is the minus 20. If this is your first time watching, if you don't mind hitting that subscribe button and then the notifications so you never miss a PayDirt review every Saturday. And also, feel free to leave your comments, and I do read every single one. I usually comment on every single one as well. Starting to see the gold right up in there. So let me finish panning, cleaning this out. We'll get it dried up and weighed up. Stand by. Alright, we are back, and it looks like it weighed 0.157 grams. 0.157 grams. Stay tuned and I'll tell you how much it's worth.